So to find out the perimeter is just the measurement, the length of all the sides of an object or shape. So it's a distance around the outside. So in here, I go 4 plus 10 plus 8 plus 4, but then I don't know these two sides. And that's where it gets difficult. So the students have to find out these sides. They can't just say, oh, it looks about 4, this looks about 3, or they can't measure them. It's based on calculations. So how it works is, I'm going to change this color to blue. If I want to find out this side right here, I have to look at the other sides that are parallel to that. So I can take a look. This here side's parallel, and this side's parallel. Now this whole side right here is 8 from here to here. And because these are kind of rectangular shapes, that means from over here, from right here down to here is 8. So that has to be 8 as well. Well, we know this much of it, so from here to here, we know that's 4. There it is there. So if that's 4 and the whole thing is 8, what does this part have to be? Well, it has to be 4, because 4 plus 4 is 8, so that has to be 4, which means this side right here has to be 4. Let me change the color to green. So the same thing, we're doing this side now. So I look at all the other sides that are parallel to that. There's that one and that one. So we know the whole thing, the whole side, this whole side here is 10, which means this whole side down here is going to be 10. And we know right to here, so here, from here down, this part is 4, because that's it right there. And, well, the whole thing's 10, and that's 4. Then this side here has to be 6. This leftover part is 6, which means this side is 6. So if you add up all those sides now, add up all the sides, that will give you your perimeter. The area is a little more tricky. And these are regular shapes. We know area is the length times the width of a rectangle or a square. So we to turn these into rectangles or squares. So I'm going to just change the color to purple, and I'm going to draw a line straight across here. So I'm going to have a top rectangle here, and then I'm going to change to a red for a bottom rectangle here. So now we just figure out the area of each of these rectangles and add them together, and that will give the area of this whole shape. So let's do this top shape here, this one here, this top one here that was purple, now it's red, is 4 this way by 10. So it's like 10 times 4, which equals 40. And this one down here is 4 by 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. So then we just add those two together. This is 40, this is 16. So 40 plus 16 equals 56.